If you're looking for a business that actually works, this video is for you.
Solar energy is one of the fastest growing industries in the world, and more homeowners and businesses are installing solar panels every year to reduce their electricity bills and switch to clean energy. That growing demand has created a huge opportunity for solar installation businesses. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a solar panel installation business from scratch, including the equipment and tools you need, realistic startup costs, how to find your first customers, and how much you can earn from each installation project. Stay until the end because I'll also share a real-world example and smart strategies that help small solar businesses grow into successful installation companies. The demand for solar energy is growing rapidly as governments promote renewable energy and electricity prices continue to rise. Homeowners and businesses are looking for ways to reduce long-term energy costs, and solar panels offer a practical solution. Solar installation companies design and install solar systems on rooftops, commercial buildings, and sometimes ground-mounted systems for farms or factories. Many regions offer incentives, tax credits, or rebates that encourage people to adopt solar energy. This creates a large and expanding market for installers. Small solar businesses often start locally, focusing on residential rooftop systems before expanding into larger commercial projects. To start a solar installation business, you'll first need to register your company and obtain the necessary electrical or contractor licenses required in your region. Safety training and solar certification programs can also increase credibility and help you secure contracts. A small team can begin with 2 or 3 technicians trained in electrical work and rooftop installation. You'll need a reliable work vehicle to transport panels and equipment to job sites. Create a professional website showing your services, installation process, and estimated cost savings for customers. Build partnerships with solar panel distributors so you can purchase equipment at wholesale prices. Having reliable suppliers is critical because installation timelines often depend on equipment availability. Solar installation requires specialized tools and safety equipment. Basic installation tools include drills, torque wrenches, electrical testing equipment, safety harnesses, ladders, and mounting hardware. A professional solar installation toolkit can cost between $2,000 and $5,000 depending on quality. Solar panels themselves usually cost $150 to $350 per panel, while inverters can range from $1,000 to $3,000 depending on system size. Mounting systems and wiring materials add additional costs. A small work vehicle or van used for installations may cost $20,000 to $40,000 if purchased used. Overall, equipment for a small installation team can range from $30,000 to $70,000 depending on scale and vehicle purchase. Startup costs for a small solar installation company usually range from $40,000 to $100,000, depending on licensing, equipment, vehicles, and team size. Residential solar installations typically cost homeowners between $10,000 and $30,000, depending on system size and location. Installation companies often earn $2,000 to $5,000 profit per residential project after equipment and labor costs. If a small team completes 4 to 8 installations per month, monthly revenue can reach $40,000 to $120,000, depending on project size. Profit margins generally range between 15% and 30%, and many businesses recover their startup investment within the first year once steady projects begin. Solar installation companies must follow electrical safety regulations and building codes, obtain contractor licenses, insurance coverage, and any solar certification required in your region. Professional branding also plays an important role in building trust. Your company should have a clean website, professional uniforms, branded vehicles, and clear documentation for customers explaining installation timelines and warranty information. Customers invest thousands of dollars in solar systems, so trust and transparency are essential for winning projects. Marketing a solar business focuses heavily on education and local visibility. Many homeowners are interested in solar energy but need help understanding the benefits and installation process. Create simple educational videos explaining solar savings, installation steps, and government incentives. Optimize your business on Google Maps so homeowners searching for solar installers can find you easily. Partner with real estate agents, roofing companies, and construction contractors who can refer customers planning home improvements. Offer free solar assessments where you evaluate a home's roof and calculate potential energy savings. Word-of-mouth referrals are extremely powerful in this industry, so providing excellent customer service can quickly expand your reputation. A strong example in the solar industry is Sunrun, which started as a small residential solar provider and grew into one of the largest home solar companies in the United States. By focusing on residential rooftop systems, offering financing options, and building strong partnerships with installers, the company expanded nationwide and installed solar systems for hundreds of thousands of homes. Their growth shows how the solar market can scale rapidly when businesses focus on customer education, reliable installations, and strong service networks. Once your solar business establishes a steady customer base, expansion opportunities increase significantly. You can hire additional installation crews, expand into commercial solar projects, or offer solar battery storage systems. Some companies also provide maintenance and monitoring services that create recurring revenue. Using digital solar design software can automate system planning and improve installation efficiency. Over time, strong branding and customer referrals can allow your company to serve multiple cities and handle larger renewable energy projects. That's your complete roadmap to starting a solar panel installation business in 2026. With growing demand for renewable energy and rising electricity costs, solar installation has become one of the most promising service industries today. Start with proper training, build a skilled team, focus on quality installations, and grow through customer referrals. If you're interested in starting a solar business, comment below with your plan and city. And if you want help choosing equipment, calculating startup costs, or building your solar installation strategy, check the resources linked below.